wonder if I can get connection outside. Guys, look at all this snow. It was a lot worse yesterday and this morning. Shut up. We've been having some pretty bad snowstorms here. It was so bad this morning. It was absolutely just awful, guys. So guys, I really do hope that this does get better, because this is partially the reason I have been lagging. Like, the snowstorms, and it was raining this morning. Like, the snowstorms are so bad. There's a car. Guys, leave a like if you want the snowstorms to stop. It's actually really cold out here. It's freezing. I have my winter coat on. Got my winter coat on. What the heck is that? What is that? I bet. So, I mean, guys, help! Leave a like. Snowstorms are destroying my channel. They're destroying my Fortnite. Please. Shout out to JZM. Go subscribe. That's it, guys. Please help these snowstorms.